Open the breeze shield from the box. You need to assemble the breeze shield. The breeze shield consists of the following: blue colored molded base, left and right side acrylic molded panel, back acrylic molded panel, thin acrylic door with handle attached. First, keep the back panel on the base with cutout facing front and clips on the edges facing top. Place the right side panel with slots on the clips and straight edge on the front and push the side panel backwards to engage the side panel into the base panel. Repeat the same process with left side panel to engage the panel firmly with back panel. Hold both sides, lift and place on the side slots of the base so that back panel sits at the back side. Top white acrylic flexible panel with contact logo should be straightened. Fix the white acrylic top panel, means contact logo facing top, to the side panels with grooves on the top panel getting engaged to the projected surface of the side panels. Press to top panel so as to engage the groove of the top panel to the side panels, pressing the top panel simultaneously on both the sides. Make sure that the top panel is firmly fitted to both sides panels. You will get click sound while the top panel engages into the side panels. Press the back side of the top panel into the back panel to complete the top panel assembly. Remove the protective polythene films from both surfaces of the door. Remove the top breeze shield assembly from the base and place on the back panel. Insert the door from the front in the slot provided on the side panels all the way and bend the cover little and push further so that the door with handle moves into the front cutout. Keep the weighing scale on the base. Take the power cable and cable for box display through to cutout of the rear panel of the breeze shield. Now the breeze shield assembly is complete and ready. Thank you.